Hello everyone! Ang feature natin ngayon ay Casa Dominguez Events Place. Ayan, so ito yung Facebook nila. It's at facebook.com/Casa Dominguez PH. So marami naman siyang accommodations. Meron silang pool and mga villas. Mamaya papakita natin sa video 'yan. And may malaki silang cottage beside the pool. Recreation entertainment like videoke, pool table, billiards table, and a quite big conference room for any events like birthdays or kasal. Kung meron kayong mga reunion siguro or conferences, pwede siyang gamitin, no? Yeah, so kung naghahanap kayo ng mga venue for any celebration like that, swak na swak tong lugar na to. Ayan, so eto naman yung Google Maps nung kung saan nyo makikita yung location ng Casa Dominguez. So, nasa loob siya ng area ng Imus. Ayan, so kung makikita nyo dito sa map, at the top, yan yung Kawit, Aguinaldo Shrine at Kawit, and then at its right is the Cavitex exit. So, kung dyan kayo magagaling, siguro mga 10 minutes, depending on traffic condition, nandun na kayo. And then, eto naman yung SM Bacoor. Kung galing kayong Bacoor, malapit na rin siya. SM Center Imus. So, kung nasa Imus na kayo, katabing-katabi niya na yun. SM Center Imus. So, kung manggagaling naman kayo ng Advincula Avenue, along the road of Advincula Avenue, papuntang Lancaster, makikita niyo yung Lancaster Roundabout or yung Rotonda. Pagdating niyo ng Rotonda, hindi na kayo iikot. Turn right ka agad. So, pag turn right niyo, Bukondala to Alapan Road na yan. Bukandala to Alapan Road. Okay? So, along Bukandala to Alapan Road, at your left, nandun na si Casa Dominguez. Malapit na siya. Actually, walking distance na lang siya from Rotonda. No? Pero kung nainita ka, may mga tricycle naman dyan sa kanto. Ayan. Ito naman yung nakuha kong information regarding the pricing. So, yung conference room can be rented for 40K. Siguro around 3 hours yung event. 40K. Malaki siya. Fully air conditioned. Then, kapag yung pool naman yung rent natin, malaki rin yung pool. Tapos merong maliit na partition para sa kids is around 25K. Siguro the entire morning na yon and afternoon. But it's not, I don't think it's overnight. Depending on what time you guys will come or will be scheduled. So just get those information. Mamaya ibibigay ko yung contact address nila. Villas, I don't know. I'm not sure how much. Pero marami silang villas. in the area. Pakita ko yan sa video mamaya. With regards to food, catering, for example, ayaw nyo nang maabala paghanap ng catering, meron silang kilalang catering partner. Yung event na attendan ko, there's around 50 people in the conference room, 50 adults, and then in addition to that, may mga bata, siguro around 30. Tapos, may mga siguro 4 na putahe ng pagkain. Okay naman yung luto. Yung iba, hindi ako medyo satisfied, pero pwede na. It cost around 50,000. Yan. So, ang nagastos nung according to the information that I got, ang nagastos nung nag-rent, it's for a birthday celebration, almost 200K, no? So, 40K for the conference room, 50K for the food, and then meron pang ibang mga binayaran na umabot almost 100K. Yeah. So, that's the pricing. So, ito yung contact addresses ng Casa Dominguez. You can ask them for all the information that you need. Ayan, Casa Dominguez, Imus, Philippines, telephone number 0916-643-2792. Email is casadominguezeventsplace@gmail.com. Yan, so just send them an email or you can call directly on the cell phone. Casa Dominguez Events Place. Malapit to sa roundabout. Doon yung roundabout ng Lancaster, Imus, Cavite. So, pwede siyang gamitin for any event like binyagan or kasalan. May malaking parking space. Tapos meron silang free popcorn, cheese sticks, whatever you want to offer as free condiments. Tapos ito yung enclosed air-conditioned venue. Napakalamig naman.
And picture. And now, to announce our grand winner.
Dito ngayon may birthday.
Table number 5. Ayan. Mag-ingay para kay Pia. Kaliege. Palamakan natin si Pia. Ang laman mo ating phone. Introduce mo muna.
May swimming pool and then merong parang
enclosed, not enclosed, but covered room na pwedeng kainan habang nagsiswimming yung family. Tapos merong air-conditioned rooms for rent. May sariling restroom. Casa Dominguez Resort Events Place. Yeah, may marami pang rooms doon sa taas. I think there's more rooms here. Yeah, more rooms for rent. And then this is the way going out again. To exit or entrance going to the pool. Ito yung going to the parking lot. Anong room to, boss? Anong room meron dyan? Anong room yan?
Bilyaran po yan.
Ah, bilyaran.
Tapos may mga pila po doon.
Mga bilyas. Bilyaran lang, ano pang
Tapos may arcade po.
arcade. Pwede pumasok dyan
Ito lang po.
para ipipicture ko lang sa
Sige po.
mga customer.
Kaso nakalaki yung video ko yan. Ito nila yung sausage sa...
Titingnan ko lang.
Sige po.
Okay. Maganda. Arcade. Isang pool. Ito video okay room. Very good. Efren Bata Reyes, The Magician. Ito bilyas.
Okay, mga pila.
Tapos pag umakyat,
Sa taas po. Parang ano siya doon.
bilyas pa rin.
Hindi lang po.
Parang rooftop lang, ano.
Yung parang pag halimbawa, maliit lang kayo, mga 30, ano lang kayo, pwede kayo dyan. Ang ilalim.
Okay. Thank you. Ayan po. Kompleto sila sa amenities. Malaki yung parking, may entertainment, may pool, may events venue. Thank you very much for watching.